Right, this week we're heading up towards Echuca. We're going to be camped up on the Murray River. We've got a few mates coming along with us. I hope you enjoy it.
Churchy, this is your debut.
Morning, so we got down to Echuca last night, right on the Murray. We're about 15 minutes away from there. Camped up on the river. We got here really late, it was pitch black, we couldn't see anything. So we just got up this morning, we're just gonna make some breakfast, gonna do some bacon and eggs. Have a bit of coffee, and then we're gonna go pick up our boat. We've got a boat rented for a couple of days that we're just gonna keep down on the river next to us. And we'll go out, do a bit of fishing off that, bits and pieces. But yeah, we'll show you as we go. Bacon and eggs on the go. In here, we'll have some eat today, do some beans and stuff, and then we'll have a bit of coffee and we'll go get the boat. Wish us luck. Ready, Uncle Church? Alright, we got not bad first one. So we're just out in the Murray. Got the boat up there. Church and James are up there. I'm just fishing down here at the minute. We're camping a bit further down the river. We just come up here for a little bit. And we've had a couple of Murray cod, but only small ones. Hopefully we'll catch something a little bit bigger. But yeah, that's a beautiful spot up here, and there's so many people up here. So chuck the drone up in a bit, and yeah, just enjoy the day. Come back in for a little bit of lunch. I'm just gonna make some wraps as per normal. The girls are still in town, I think. I don't know what they're doing, and the other lads are just over there having a bit of food as well. I think we'll probably just stay around here the rest of the day. We'll just fish off the bank just in front of us. But yeah, been out on the boat most of the morning stuff, which has been good fun. But I think we'll just chill and take it easy. James snagged over there. Oh, that's handy. Right, so no luck with the fishing this afternoon. We just kind of fished off the bank where we're camping, but didn't get too much. But we got a couple of Murray cod this morning, only small ones, but it's better than nothing. We've just had our showers, the old bottle washer's back again, and now we're gonna cook a dinner over the campfire. Our mate Church, he's gonna try and do a lasagna in his like a camp, I can't remember, camp cooker or whatever the ones that you hang above the fire. I don't know what the name of it is. But yeah, it should be interesting, see how it turns out. If all else fails, we've got some pasta salad.
Tonight we're doing a group cook-up and we're going to make lasagna.
Yeah, but anyway.
Lasagna in the making. We've got our weekend washer boy, aka James.
Yeah.
Splash of red wine and then we're ready.
How many layers are we going to go for? 3?
Do you think? Yeah.
Yeah.
We've got enough of that.
Yeah.
I was like, ooh.
Yeah, lasagna on the go.
Tenderising them.
You're on level, mate.
Got the bread.
We're here.
Yeah, just put it right up next to the fire, all around it, in circles, and then we can turn them.
Decent.
My God.
Lasagna. Everyone's starving.
Rubbish.
And then just got the garlic bread just on the fire at the minute.
Get the plating close.
Yay!
Whee!
Thank you. Okay, bye.
There's one underneath as well.
Oh,
Shine on there. Lasagna, G-banger.
Everyone want a little.
I think we'll call it a night. We'll see you in the morning. Good morning. We're just gonna make some breakfast again. Still out here on the river. Just gonna have some bacon and eggs, and a bit of coffee, and then we're probably gonna head back out on the boat again. I think the girls are gonna head into town and get some bikes out and visit a couple of wineries in the area, and then I think we'll shoot into town later, drop the boat back, and then we'll check out a couple of places in town as well. Bacon and eggs, bit of breakfast, and then we'll head out. Not a bad little one. Hope you get a few more of those. Oh, it's a good one, that one. Jeez.
Mate.
Yeah, just drag it onto the mud here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa, that's a big one, that is. Whoa.
Please.
Nice one, James.
Decent one. What
Yeah.
size is your hook? Only small.
Yeah, only small one.
I'll let him in.
Yeah, mate, come put it back. That's a good one. Well done. Oh, he's decent. Oh, mate. Nice one, Church. Hey, drag him up. Decent one. Nice one, Church.
Put it back in.
Yeah, mate.
Oh, mate.
What a lad. So we actually done alright fishing this morning. We caught about 10 fish between us. I didn't get very many, but the other lads got a few, a couple of decent sized ones as well. We was going to go back out on the boat this afternoon, but we decided to just chill out, hang around by the camp. I'm just in the hammock at the minute. The boys are down there fishing somewhere. So yeah, and then we'll run the boat back a little bit later, and then we'll go pick up the girls. I think they've been at wineries in the area all day, so yeah, no, it's an awesome spot. I absolutely loved it here. Right, that's it. James is gonna go meet us at the boat ramp. We'll take the boat, about 20 minutes drive from here, and then we'll meet up with him and take the boat back. Right, we just dropped the boat back. Boat loading at the ramp was actually a lot easier than what we thought it was gonna be. I haven't done it too much before, so, and there's so many people around, but it went well. We just dropped that back. Now the girls are at their distillery in the town, so we're just gonna go meet them for a quick drink, and then we'll head back to camp. That's it for today. Just had a bit of pub food in the town, and we're now back at camp. It's pitch black, so it's a little bit tricky finding it, but we're back now. We'll get a tent set up, we'll chill out for a little bit, and then call it a night. So that's our last morning here on the Murray. It's Easter Sunday. Did a bit of breakfast, and then we'll start packing away, unfortunately. Right, time to get packed away. Right, that's it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed this week's episode at the Murray River. If you enjoyed it, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.